This is Liu Wei channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called fried pork with white long green bean. The main ingredients we need. The Chinese name called 豇豆. And the main ingredient we need is the piece of pork, probably 6 to 7 ounces, and 2 small carrots. And we need 1 teaspoon chopped ginger and a bunch of long bean. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. We cut some ginger. We don't need a lot of ginger. We just need 1 teaspoon of ginger. So that's enough. And then we slice it very thin, and we just cut it this way. Then we chop it. The ginger usually in the market they have groceries. They have 2 kinds. One is this the small one we cut it. They also have some kinds is the big one. Those either is okay. I think. Cut the carrot, cut this off, and this off. Slice it. Cut it probably this thin, and then we slice it like this. So the final one will be like this. You can see like this, very thin. With the ginger. This is the carrots we get. Now we cut the white long bean. White long bean, this part we need to pick it up. You can use the finger to pinch it off, or you can use the knife to cut it off. It's either up to you. Just this part. You need this part here, so connected to the plant. You need to cut it off. Because this is kind of true. Just cut it off, or you can pinch it off. It's up to you. So now we cut the long bean. We cut it in the middle, together. Now we cut it. The cut is probably this long, not too long. Those bean we get, the long bean we get. Okay, we cut the meat. So this meat, we can see the fabric this way. We cut against the meat. So we cut first. We cut it like this. Cut it try as thin as possible. So it'll be like this thing. We cut the meat. We cut the meat. We get it already cut it, so slice it. Then we cut it very thin, probably like this. slice the meat and cut it. So this is the pork we get, the thin sliced pork we use. Okay, we add probably 8 cups of water in the pot and turn on the stove, high fire, to heat the water until the water is boiling. Okay, when the water is boiling, we add the long beans and into the water. And this is the salt. We add probably a half teaspoon of salt to the water. Don't add too much. And remember, don't cover the lid. Just let the long beans to cook. We just want this cook is not let the long bean be fully cooked. We just want the long bean and be half cooked in the hot water, so we'll have very beautiful color, and also get rid of the beans, the raw bean taste. So this is a process to get rid of the raw bean taste. Okay, you can see the beans color become very beautiful green. So we get those long beans out in soaking the cold tap water to keep this beautiful color. This is the cold tap water. So to soak in the cold tap water to keep this beautiful color. Remember, those long beans is not fully cooked, so we still need to cook it. Okay, so it's done. Turn on the stove. Medium fire. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. And rinse the pot. So when the oil is hot, we add the meat into it. We don't need the oil is very hot. Just add the sliced cut pork into it and fry it. And slowly fry until the fat in the pot come out to the oil and the meat is fully cooked. You can see there's a lot of liquid come out from the meat and some water from the meat. So this time don't add anything into it. Just slowly fry until this liquid is gone. And meat is meat is fully cooked, and the fat in the pork all come to the oil. Just the oil, meat, and the fat live in the pot. Then we will do the next step. Yeah, well, most of the liquid is gone, and the fat and in the meat come out to the pot, and you can see it. Then we add the ginger and the carrots into it. Ginger and carrots, and slowly fry until the ginger releases good smell. When the ginger releases good smell, we add the drained water, long beans into it. And turn the fire to the high fire and fry it. This is the 13 spices. We add a pinch of 13 spices to it. Don't add too much. If you don't have 13 spices, add the found spices, or just if no found spice, add just a pinch of black pepper to it. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it, and by side of the pot. This is the salt. We add a half teaspoon salt to it. Just fry until the long bean is fully cooked. This is the chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. Okay, we try the long bean. The long bean is already fully cooked. The flavor is also good. Let me try the meat. The meat also fully cooked. The flavor is very good. When it comes to the stove, so this dish is fried long bean with pork. This dish is done. So fried the long bean with the pork. This dish is done, and I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.